Today we discuss about the topic of albugo life cycle. The classification of albugo. Kingdom fungi, phylum Oomyceta, class oomycetes, order Oronosporales, family Albuginaceae, genus albugo, species albugo candida.
General characters of albugo. Albugo is a fungus. It is included family in the Albuginaceae, class oomycetes. It is popularly called white rust fungus because it is causes white rust disease. All species of albugo are parasitic. Vegetative body is a haploid mycelium. The hypha produce knob-like ostotrium. The hypha produce vertical branches called phalanges. Next one is distributions. The genus is represented by 26 species distributed all around the world. All are plant parasitic. Albugo candida is also known as Cystophus candidus. Is the most important pathogen of Brassicaceae cruciferaceae, member causing the white rust fungus. Signs and symptoms. The pathogen attack all the above ground parts. The infection occurs through stomata. The disease results in the formation of thinly white irregular patches on leaves or stems. The first image is the white rust fungus. The example of the second one is the section of the infected area. The next one is reproduction of albugo. There are two methods: asexual and sexual methods. Asexual reproduction takes place by Conidia, Conidia sporangia and zoosporangia. These are produced on the sporangiosperms. Under suitable conditions, the mycelium grows and branches rapidly. After attaining a certain age of maturity, it is produced a dense mat-like growth. After maturity, the sporangia are set free due to dissolution of separation disc. Under suitable environmental conditions, when we are blown away by wind or by rainwater, a suitable host sporangia germinates within 2 or 3 hours. The sporangia germinate to give rise to zoospores, and these zoospores, on coming in contact with the host, germinate and enter inside through stomata. And this is the diagram is asexual reproduction. The next one is sexual reproduction. It takes place when the growing season comes to end. The mycelium penetrates into the deeper tissue of the host. The sexual reproduction is oogamous type. The male sex organ is called antheridium, female sex organ is oogonium. Antheridium, it is elongated and club-shaped structure. It is multinucleate in some cases. Only one nuclei remain functional, but many can remain functional. The next one is oogonium. It is peripheral and multinucleate, containing as many as 65 to 115 nuclei. All nuclei are evenly distributed throughout the cytoplasm. As the oogonium reaches towards the maturity, the contents of the oogonium get organized into outer peripheral region of periplasm and the inner dense central region of ooplasm, the egg. However, at the time of maturity, all nuclei disintegrated except a single functional nucleus. Fertilization. Before fertilization, a deeply staining mass of cytoplasm appears in the center of the ooplasm. This is called xenocentrium. The functional female nucleus attracts towards and becomes attached to a point near it. The oogonium develops a papilla-like outgrowth at the point of contact with the antheridium. This is called as receptic papilla. Soon it disappears and the antheridium develops a fertilization tube. It penetrates through the receptic papilla, oogonial wall, and periplasm, and finally reaches up to the ooplasm. It carries a single male nucleus. Zoospore. The zoospore, along with the fusion nucleus, is called a zoospore. The zoospore on maturity secretes 2 to 3 layer wall. The outer layer is thick, vertically or tuberculated, and represent the exospore. The inner layer is thin and called the endospore. Germination of zoospore. With the secretion of the wall, the zygotic nucleus divides rapidly to form about 32 nuclei. The first division is meiotic, and at this stage the zoospore undergoes a long period of rest until unfavorable conditions are over. Meanwhile, its host tissue disintegrates, leaving the zoospore free. And this is the sexual reproduction diagram.